Thank you
Yeah,
so much, Father. Thank you for reading. I struggled for 2 years. I gave exam, I think, more than 12 times. Every time I failed in reading, but
this,
this time I achieved. Almost 1.5 months, not more, 2 months also, because last December, one of my friend, uh, she gave me your that link and your videos. She shared me. Uh, with her only I joined that sum of institute, and she suggested me. She also cleared because of you only, and I follow now. I success. Thank you so much. And since last December, I follow your strategies, and I saw your video. Now I clear, Father. I'm so happy, and thank you so much, Father. Means last exam I didn't get, but this exam I get, and with your guidance and I support, whatever you send the video, all the videos I saw, and your strategies I followed, and this time I success, Father. Because I took classes from other institute, I changed to institute, but they never give such a wonderful strategies which you gave. And I saw, actually I couldn't attend your classes because of timing issue, even though I saw your all the videos, most of the video, and I just note down on the my copy, and in between I revise, and as you say, whatever the that paraphrasing phase, vocabularies, I note down on the notebook, and every Sunday I revise those words, and I watch your videos whenever I get time, and consistently I'm doing practice whenever I get time, because I can't give much time for long, like 2 hour, 1 hour I can't give, like if I get 15 minutes, half an hour, because I have to take care of my kids also. um, I managed the time and I did. Now I success. Thank you so much. Last
okay.
time I got 270, like that much only. Never I crossed 300. This time I crossed 390. 390, sir. Yeah, I was so happy to believe I got this much score. Yeah,
Yes,
in very short duration, sir. Like I follow your strategies.
How, Bicheda, how you manage the A part during the time? Any time issue occurred, or how many minutes you complete?
12 minutes. In
12 minutes.
this exam, yeah, in this exam, I finish in 12 minutes, and after 3 minutes, I revise all the that spelling mistake. I just cross the miss. I never finish that 20 questions in 12 minutes, but with the help of father strategies, I completed this time.
Yes, great score.
Yeah, it's
Congratulations,
really
dear.
great score. Yeah, I never expect I can achieve this score. Consistent practice, as you said. I didn't give much time. Like if I have half an hour, 15 minutes also, uh, I s- I means practice means a part. It doesn't take much. So 15 minutes I do, and again I start to do my housework. And if again I get half an hour B part, like that I manage, sir.
get
Thank
the
you so much.
results.
Thank you so much.
And
Because I struggle for this, especially reading part, for 2 years, and because of your that videos, your guidance, support, strategies, today I achieve. Thank you.
Sir, I have one doubt. What materials he has practiced? It may appear to the exam, or it will be totally different from the.
Most of the material I use that which were shared in the Edu skill. Every day I practice one, two A part, and
Okay,
B and C one only. But
okay,
I saw the that father's video a lot. With
okay,
that
okay,
video, yeah, I get so
yeah,
many strategies and guidance, and on the base of that, I practice on my study.
okay, 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 ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So I think A part we have to give more. We should focus on A part, and apart from that, consistently you see that father's video and strategies you follow on that. On the base of that strategies you practice. If one also every day you do, it will enough, I think. Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah.
father, once again. Actually, I'm from India only, but I came here with my husband 3 years before, and I started my OET 2 years before, and I struggle a lot in the reading. Uh, I changed to institute, but I didn't get help from them. Actually, I don't know that the means that Edu skill providing this much helpful strategies. And last December, my friend, she is also joined in same institute, and she also didn't get help. She only referred that Edu school is very good. With that strategy, she also passed, and she shared all the links, and I just follow and I contact with your father. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you,
Needu.
everybody.
Already,
Yeah,
I sent congratulations her to the this chat box. Congratulations for this great success. So
yeah.
already she gave all the key instructions what we should do. We will try to follow her. We should know the journey, and the destination will come itself. We love the journey. It is all your strategies, Father. Whatever I am, whatever I am saying, it is all reflection of your what you are teaching.
Empowering attitude. Whoever is selfish, normally we have seen they struggle a lot to crack OET. But empowering, helping others, being in the platform, active, supporting everybody, they really crack because definitely they learn a lot as well as God will bless them as. And I want to tell you, EduSkills so YouTube channel has such resources, but the full explanation, you have all the 4 modules, all the strategies explained in different videos. Definitely you can access them. They are all free. If need be, I will give all the links together in a single form, and you can just click on the links and reach the videos. If you watch them all, definitely I know you will not come here to listen to me because I have talked almost everything over there. Those are not just videos, they are the previous sessions uploaded. Previous Zoom sessions uploaded on 4 subtests. Like we have contrast word based questions, you have gist based questions, you have topic sentence based questions, you have detail based questions, which is in the supporting sentence, opinion questions. All those are the different types of questions. There are different criteria. Those things also I have explained in my channel. And there are typical types, and only such types will be asked.
Thank you, sir.
If you find my smile attractive, we'll meet again.
Thank you, Father.
Yes.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you so much, Father.
Thank you,
Thank
Father.
you, Father.
God bless you all.
It was very interesting and very, very, very informative session. And thank you so much for taking some time out of your busy schedule. Thank you so much. God
You're
bless
most welcome. Most welcome. Yes. God bless.